An oldie but a goodie. This is a bag that that I don't know why it took so long to pull the trigger on. I swear it's been like 2 years that I've been eyeing this little thing. And it's been an interesting year and a challenging year and a good year. All of those things that I said for Black Friday, I get myself a little treat. And I've been carrying really big bags to work lately just because I have a lot of work. I don't know what to say. And so I kind of have been back and forth on the lunch purse thing. You know, for a while I wasn't carrying a lunch purse because I carried a smaller bag. Anyways, now that I'm back in giant bag world, I was like, I gotta get a lunch purse, but I don't want a lunch purse that I already have because I need like a smaller lunch purse. But it's got to be big enough for X, Y, and Z. And this is the bag, and it's a really good price point. And I can't wait to get in here. I'm gonna say that this is also a Love 41 staple. So I'm going to say like Love 41 staples are the pocket tote, the simple tote, and this little beauty. Here's the packaging. They always package so cute. So this, and they always send your stuff in this really sweet little burlap sack with a cute little tag about sort of who made it, because they have a larger mission than selling bags, and that's really helping the world around them. So teaching people a craft. Ooh. Okay, so obviously this is the Love 41 red handle clutch. And on the website, I was really expecting more of like a bright, almost like strawberry red. Is that even a thing? Or strawberry pink? But anyways, that's what I was expecting, like kind of this bright red. This is really dark, and I kind of freaking love it. Look at it. Adorable. Anyways, here it is. Here it is in all its glory. Let's see if there's anything in here. Their card. It's adorable. I cannot get enough. And I love this little detail here where you can like pop your hand through there and carry it. And I wanted it because I can stick my phone in here. And then just like credit cards, and I can pop out to lunch. And there's nothing smaller than this. The color is awesome. I think this is goat leather, if I'm not mistaken, and it doesn't have a smell. Some people say like, well, maybe some do, some don't. But look at this cute little wristlet. And you could do this. Obviously, if you do that, it won't close. But, oh my God, perfect. So narrow, so tiny. What have I been waiting on before I bought you? Little red leather handle clutch from Love 41. Stay tuned for my full review. It's been a Love 41 kind of month. They're minimal and their new fringe tote. Those reviews are coming up too. If you haven't watched it, watch my unboxing. I unboxed 1, 2, 3, 4, I think 5 things from Love 41, including these two beauties behind me. So stay tuned for my full review. Thanks for watching.